everyone and welcome back to my channel. I read the comments and you guys asked me a lot to film for you an educational video for beginner traders, and here it is. So stay alert on what I'm doing today, and today I'm going to use Parabolic SAR indicator and I will start with $98 on my deposit. All the information about how we are going to trade, about indicator and everything you will get actually when we are going to trade. But for now, please leave your like on this video, subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so you're always updated about my new videos about trading. Let's get started, guys! So guys, today we will trade with you on support and resistance levels, and to help our technical analysis we are going to use Parabolic SAR indicator. It will help us, it will tell us pivot points and further price movement. And now I will tell you how to use this indicator and what is the signal to open a deal. In order to connect the indicator, click this button in the upper left corner. We go to the menu section and we choose indicator selection, select from the list Parabolic SAR. We can also customize the appearance of our indicator. We'll leave all the settings by default. We'll change only the thickness and color of our indicator. Let's choose the yellow color and set the thickness to 2 pixels, then click save. Thus yellow dots appear at the top and the bottom of the graph. And the signal is the moment when, for example, yellow dots begin to form on top of our chart. This situation tells us that in the near future the price will move down. Also, when the points begin to approach directly to the candles themselves, this situation tells us that points will soon begin to appear from below our chart, which in turn also suggests that in the near future the price will move up. And in a similar situation, we could open a deal to go up. Also, when there is a good, confident unidirectional movement, the points begin to form with the larger distance from each other, thus confirming that there is a good, confident trend. Also, at the same time, of course, do not forget about the support and resistance levels. Since the indicator is an auxiliary tool of technical analysis, just at the moment I see the first entry point and I will explain it to you. Let's choose a horizontal line for this and put it on these lower values of these candles. This is an internal level of support. We see that the price is approaching this level. Here I propose to open a deal for 1 minute to go down. We also see that yellow dots are forming above our chart, and this means that in the near future the price will move down. Also, the main price highs are getting lower. I think that in this situation the price is more likely to continue moving towards the level. It is also quite possible that it will be breached because the overall potential of the price is mainly going down and because the price is moving quite impulsively. I think 1 minute will be quite enough, so friends, let's wait for the end of our deal. Well guys, quite good. Indeed, after a slight upward pullback, the downward movement continued with the good impulse red candles. And here we are making a profit. Also, the indicator in turn gave us a really good entry point. The situation worked out well and we managed to make money in this movement. Not a bad start, guys. Let's continue and consider another situation on the market. Here we also have a level of support. We also see that the price is already starting to break through our level at the moment. Let's open a deal for 1 minute to go down. So we see that at the same time yellow dots are formed above the graph. This means that in the near future the price will move down. Just at the time of the opening of the deal, the price was already beginning to break through this level. I think that we will have time to work with you on this moment, and 1 minute here will be quite enough. Perhaps we will get into the breakdown of this level itself. In the near future the price will still move down since our price potential is also going down. And so guys, let's wait for the result. Great guys, as you can see, this level was broken and we made a profit. The price has a really great potential for a decline and our indicator turned out to be right again. Situations like this were great. So guys, let's continue and consider another situation on the market. Here at the top we also have a resistance level. After the first touch of the level there was a pullback down, and after the pullback the price is slowly but confident approaching our level. Also at the same time yellow dots begin to form under the chart. We'll open a deal for 1 minute to go up. The overall price potential go up as well. There is a high probability that the price will continue to move towards the level. Just at the moment a good confident green candle is beginning to form. So guys, let's wait for the result. Great guys, the price continued to move up, and after a false breakout there was a pullback down, but we managed to work with you on this particular movement, and also indicator turned out to be right again. It gave us a really good entry point. So guys, let's continue considering another situation on the market. We have a level of support down here. We also see that after the first touch there was an upward pullback, and after the pullback the price turned around and moved down. Also, yellow dots begin to form above the graph. Also, the overall price potential is going down. We will open a deal for 2 minutes to go down because there's still a lot of space for the support level. I think that in the near future the price will continue to move to the level. 2 minutes also with the margin, take into account possible pro trades. So guys, let's wait for the result. Okay guys, the price has slowed down and we got into pro trading zone and it is moving in this range, but we still managed to close our deal in profit. Also at the same time we see that there is no upward pullback as such. I think that in the near future the price will still continue to move to the level. Also, yellow dots continue to form at the same time. We can try to open the next deal right here. I think that after the pro trading, after the accumulation of forces, the price will still continue to move down. And 2 minutes in the situation will be quite enough for us. So guys, let's wait for the result. Well, that's quite good. The price really left the pro trading zone and continued to move to the level, and we managed to close our deal in profit. As you may have noticed, during the pro trading the yellow dots began to approach the candles themselves, and such situation could give us a reason to think that the reversal will happen in the near future. But in such situation it is important to be able to see overall trading situation, and in no case do not refer only on the hints of the indicator. The main thing is to be able to understand and to feel further development of the market, and in such situation there is a high probability that the price will continue to move directly to the support level. Therefore, in such situation it is especially important to pay attention on the trading situation, and over time with the experience you will also be able to feel it and situation in the market. And as you can see, the price really continue to move directly to the support level. So guys, let's continue. Here we see the resistance level. We also see that there was a good confident upward movement here. After touching the level there was a rollback, and after the rollback the price moves back to our level. We will open a deal for 2 minutes to go up. The price has an excellent potential to increase. I think that in the near future the price will move up. We also see that yellow dots are formed at the same time, and this means that in the near future the price will move up. It is also quite possible that this level will be broken. So guys, let's wait for the result. That's great guys, as you can see the price really continued to move up, the level has been broken and we are making profit. This situation worked fine. So guys, let's continue considering another situation on the market. Here we have a resistance level. We also see that after the pullback the price has turned around and is moving back to our level. We will open a deal for 2 minutes to go up. The main price lows are also getting higher. The overall potential of the price is expected to increase. Also at the same time yellow dots begin to form under the graph, and this means that in the near future the price will move up. I think that in this situation 2 minutes will be quite enough for us, even taking into account possible pro trade. So guys, let's wait for the result. Not bad at all, the price continued to move up and we are making profit here. We managed to work with you on this particular movement. Also the indicator turned out to be right again. Meanwhile, I already have $4,000 on my deposit. I propose to open another last deal for today. So I'll find another situation and we'll continue. Here we have a level of support. We also see that at the moment the price is approaching our level. There is a kind of compression. Let's open a deal for 2 minutes to go down. The price has an excellent potential for decline, and it is more likely that this level will be broken in the near future. Yellow dots are also formed at the same time. This means that in the near future the price will move down, and I think 2 minutes here will be also quite enough, even taking two possible pro trades. So guys, let's wait for the result. Excellent guys, the level has been broken and we made a profit. The price has already great potential to go down. Also, the indicator again suggested us a good entry point. I already have $7,000 on my deposit. I suggest we end here because I fulfill my plan for today. This is the end of the video guys. Thank you that you watched it till the end. As you see, all the market situations worked out perfectly today, and you might have noticed that all the situations were somehow similar to each other. And similar situations occur quite often in the market, and yeah, you just need to recognize them and to make correct decision and open a deal. Just pay attention on the hints of indicator, but don't forget that indicator is just an auxiliary tool of technical analysis and it might have errors. So now you know how to use Parabolic SAR indicator, and if you are new to my channel, I have many other videos about how I work with Parabolic SAR indicator, so you can check it out. And if you want to stay up to date what I'm uploading, then you should put a like to this video and subscribe to this channel, and of course to turn on notification so you don't miss my new videos. I have a closed group with a limited amount of people where I'm sharing my trading signals for free, and if you want to get into this group and get my trading signals, then you should text me a code word signal on my Telegram. You will find the link down below. It will help you to boost your experience and you will be among other traders. It's our small community. All the passionate traders are really welcome there. I wish you to have a successful trading, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!